Hello everyone, I am with a new video regarding the alcohol, phenol and ether. This video is for especially 12th class student. In the previous video, I am just talking about the classification of alcohol and the preparation of alcohol as well. There are some method by which alcohol can be prepared. Let us remind. From an alkyl halide. If alkyl halide react with aqueous NaOH or KOH, then hydroxyl derivative of alkane will be obtained or hydrocarbon obtained. Okay, so this is the first preparation of alcohol from alkyl halide. In this sequence, from alkene, when alkene get hydrated in the presence of sulfuric acid, then alcohols are obtained. In case of unsymmetrical alkene, there will be Markovnikov rule is applied for the preparation of alcohol. And there is a one more reaction that is called hydroboration oxidation. In that reaction, when an alkene react with diboran to give the trialkyl boran, and that trialkyl boran react with hydrogen peroxide, and it is the actually oxidation reaction, and it oxidizes to give the alcohol, and it will follow the anti-Markovnikov rule. Okay, and the next is from the carbonyl compound. When the carbonyl compound get reduced in the presence of common reducing agent, sometimes we can use the special reducing agent. When aldehyde get reduced, then definitely there will be a primary alcohol is obtained. If there is a secondary, if the ketone get reduced in the presence of a specific reducing agent, there will be secondary alcohol is obtained. Okay, in case of carboxylic acid too, कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड का भी अगर रिडक्शन किया जाए तो उसके रिजल्टेंट जो है वो आपका अल्कोहल बन जाता है. Okay, and there's a one more reaction regarding the carbonyl compound. When carbonyl compound get treated with Grignard reagent, okay, then there will be adduct is formed and adduct get hydrated. अगर उस adduct का hydration करा दिया जाए, then there will be alcohol is obtained. Okay, so let us have some reaction regarding this specific reaction. Okay, because this reaction needs some practice. Okay, so please stay on the board. Now we have a general carbonyl compound. This is the general carbonyl compound, and it reacts with Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent can be represented as RMgX. Okay, being electronegative, it carries partial negative charge and it carries partial positive charge, and Grignard reagent will be breakdown from here. Okay, R carries negative charge while Mgx carries positive charge. Why? Mg double positive, X single negative. That is why Mgx will carries single positive charge. Then negative part will goes to the positive one, and the positive part will goes to the negative end. Okay, and there will be an adduct is formed as explained. Okay, so we can note down it like this. There will be R and OMgX. Okay, this adduct will be formed, and this adduct get hydrated. अगर इसका हाइड्रेशन करा दिया जाए तो इसके रिजल्टेंट आपको अल्कोहल ऑब्टेन हो जाएगा. Then this get hydrated. Okay, you will get RCOH. यहाँ पे जो होगा वो बना रहेगा, and there will be RCOH is obtained. Okay, it may be primary, secondary or tertiary alcohol depending on the nature of selected carbonyl compound. Okay, so let's have some other example, and there is a byproduct too, which is MgOH from here and X, MgOH X. Okay, let's have one more reaction like this. Suppose we have formaldehyde. Okay, we have formaldehyde. It means HCHO. Then we can note it like this: C single bond H, single bond H, double bond O. This is the formaldehyde molecule, and it react with methyl magnesium bromide or chloride. Okay, methyl magnesium chloride. Okay, there will be an adduct is formed. This adduct will be obtained, and this adduct on treatment with water, it means on hydration, it will give CS3 CS2OH from here. It means ethyl alcohol CS3 CS2OH and MgOHX, and this byproduct will be eliminated. Okay, so in case of formaldehyde, there will be primary alcohol is formed. In case of other aldehyde other than formaldehyde like CS3CHO, then definitely there is a one alkyl group and it will change into secondary alcohol. Okay, in case of ketone, definitely there will be a tertiary alcohol is obtained, because from this carbonyl compound there are two alkyl group in ketone and it react with Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent also have one alkyl group, so there will be three alkyl group, and according to the number of alkyl group, which are 3, the alcohol which is obtained through this reaction will be tertiary. Okay, and now we will talk about the preparation of phenol as well. Okay, in this video we are just especially talk about the preparation of phenol. Now, preparation of phenol is similar to the preparation of alcohol, only similar, not the same. Okay, so let us have some specific reaction. Okay, so first of all, from benzene diazonium chloride, and you know well, aniline get converted into benzene diazonium halide by the specific reaction which is called diazotization reaction. So let us have the diazotization reaction. This is the aniline. Aniline on treatment with NaNO2 and HCl, definitely there will be a benzene diazonium chloride is obtained. N2 positive, Cl negative. You know well, this is benzene diazonium chloride. Why it is called benzene diazonium chloride? Benzene for this structure, di for 2, azo means nitrogen, Cl for chloride. This is benzene diazonium chloride. And benzene diazonium chloride on treatment with water molecule. Okay, remember this reaction. If benzene diazonium chloride on treated with water, definitely there will be phenol is obtained. Okay, this reaction is very important for your exam purpose and for the preparation of phenol as well. Okay, so remember it. Now from the benzene, okay, preparation of phenol from benzene. So let us have the reaction. This is the benzene. Benzene get halogenated when it react with chlorine or bromine, then there will be a chlorobenzene is obtained like this. This is the chlorobenzene, and chlorobenzene on treatment with NaOH, it means sodium hydroxide, there will be sodium phenoxide is obtained. Okay, NaCl will be eliminated. Phenoxide, it is called sodium phenoxide. Why it is called sodium phenoxide? Sodium phenyl and oxide, that is why it is called sodium phenoxide. सोडियम फेनॉक्साइड ऑन एसिडिफिकेशन, अगर सोडियम फेनॉक्साइड का एसिडिफिकेशन कर दिया जाए then we can write it like hydration, little bit amount of water as well. Okay, so there will be H from here and NaOH will be obtained as a byproduct. And acidification, definitely if there is a presence of acid, then NaCl molecule will be eliminated and give the phenol molecule. Okay, so this is the preparation of phenol from chlorobenzene. Okay, this reaction is called Dow process. Okay, this is the named reaction and this reaction is called Dow process. Okay, next we have to prepare the phenol from the benzene sulfonic acid. From benzene sulfonic acid. So how we prepare the benzene sulfonic acid? When benzene react with the sulfuric acid, then benzene sulfonic acid is obtained. Benzene sulfonic acid on treatment with NaOH to give the sodium phenoxide, and you know sodium phenoxide on acidification or hydration to give the phenol. Okay, so let us apply it on the reaction. So this is the benzene, okay, and benzene react with sulfuric acid H2SO4, then there will be a benzene sulfonic acid is obtained. It is denoted as SO3H, okay, and water molecule is get eliminated from this reaction, okay, because sulfuric acid is also a dehydrating agent. Okay, so this sodium phenoxide, sorry, benzene sulfonic acid react with NaOH, okay, then definitely there will be SO3Na is obtained. Okay, SO3Na, and this on again treatment with NaOH, 2 molecule of NaOH, then Na2SO3 with the elimination of one more water molecule, there will be a phenol is obtained. Okay, so this is the phenol from benzene sulfonic acid. Okay, and next reaction is from the cumene. Cumene इसका जनरल नेम आइसोप्रोपिल बेंजीन भी होता है. तो क्यूमीन स्पेशली किसी भी नाम से पूछा जा सकता है कि प्रिपरेशन ऑफ फिनॉल फ्रॉम द आइसोप्रोपिल बेंजीन और फ्रॉम क्यूमीन. ओके, सो क्यूमीन, लेट अस हैव द क्यूमीन. Okay, this molecule is called cumene. It is also called isopropyl benzene. Okay, cumene on oxidation with simple oxidizing agent, it change into cumene hydroperoxide like this, CH3OOH. Okay, and it on hydration gives a phenol. Okay, there will be CH3COCH3 as a byproduct eliminated ketone molecule, and OH group will affix at this position, and now you can see we get the phenol from isopropyl benzene or cumene. Okay, so I think this is all about the preparation of phenol. Okay, now I want to discuss about the physical properties of alcohol and phenol both. Okay, so if we talk about the physical properties, there are some points like physical state, solubility, boiling point, etc. Okay, so on the basis of these points, if we talk about the physical property of alcohol, then we must talk about the physical state. Okay, so alcohols are exist in liquid state having a pungent smell. इनका एक characteristic pungent smell होता है, specific smell होता है. Okay, and the boiling point of alcohol is generally high as compared to hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon से इनका boiling point बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. Even ether, एल्डिहाइड, कीटोन से भी इनका बॉइलिंग पॉइंट ज़्यादा होता है, लेकिन अगर इनकी कंपैरिजन हम स्पेशली हाइड्रोकार्बन से करेंगे तो इनका बॉइलिंग पॉइंट बहुत ही ज़्यादा होता है ड्यू टू द प्रेजेंस ऑफ ओनली इंटरमोलिकुलर हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग. ओके, सो इफ देयर इज ए इंटरमोलिकुलर हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग देन यू नो वेल it is the strong association between the molecule. Okay, the molecule becomes bulkier. इतना ज़्यादा strong तो नहीं होता है, लेकिन molecule bulky हो जाता है. So due to the bulkiness of molecule, the boiling point of alcohol is generally high. Okay, and its boiling point increases on increasing its molar mass. जैसे जैसे इसका molar mass बढ़ेगा वैसे वैसे इनका boiling point भी बढ़ता चला जाता है. In case of isomeric alcohol, okay, the alcohol which have the branches, so that's boiling point will be lower as compared to straight chain alcohol. Because straight chain alcohol, you know, they can packed strongly. उनके बीच में जो attraction होगा, उनकी जो packing होगी वो काफ़ी strong हो जाएगी और इसके resultant उनका boiling point बढ़ जाएगा as compared to branched. In branch cases there is a less intermolecular force of attraction as compared to straight chain. So we can say in case of isomeric alcohol, the alcohol molecule which have more branch will be lesser boiling point as compared to straight chain molecule. Okay, if we talk about if we compare in boiling point of alcohol and phenol, then definitely we can say the boiling point of phenol is much higher than that of alcohol. Okay, because you know there is a phenol, there is 6 carbon and hydrogen. Okay, and ये भी एक फैक्टर काम करता है. उसके अलावा जो फिनॉल मॉलिक्यूल है उनके बीच में फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन बहुत ज़्यादा होता है एज कम्पेयर टू सिंपल अल्कोहल, मीन्स एलिफैटिक अल्कोहल. तो उनमें अट्रैक्शन जो है कम होता है एज कम्पेयर टू phenol. So we can say the boiling point of phenol is greater than the boiling point of alcohol. Okay, if we talk about the solubility, then we can say alcohols are lightly soluble in water. Alcohols के lower member like methyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol, they can easily soluble in water, but phenol is slightly soluble in water due to its intermolecular force of attraction. Okay, as the molar mass increases, their densities also increases, and as the density increases we can say the solubility decreases. Okay, so this is all about the preparation of alcohol, phenol and the physical property of alcohol and phenol. Okay, आप लोगों की सजेशन है कि आप इसके जो बॉइलिंग पॉइंट के जो क्वेश्चंस हैं एनसीईआरटी बुक से आप ज़रूर देखें, और क्योंकि बॉइलिंग पॉइंट रिलेटेड आपके क्वेश्चंस एग्जाम में पूछे जाते हैं, मींस अरेंजमेंट, बहुत सारी स्पीसीज आपको दे दी जाएंगी और आपसे पूछा जाएगा कि इनको अरेंज करिए बॉइलिंग पॉइंट के इंक्रीजिंग और डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में. स्पीसीज लाइक हाइड्रोकार्बन होगा, ओके, एल्डिहाइड, कीटोन, कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड, ईथर एक्सेट्रा. तो इनको कंपेरेटिवली स्पेसिफिकली फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज किसी एक चैप्टर से क्वेश्चन नहीं आता है, इसको कंपैरिजन मींस सारे चैप्टर्स को सम अप करके क्वेश्चन आता है, क्योंकि एनिलीन का, एमीन का अलग चैप्टर है, एल्डिहाइड का अलग होगा, कीटोन का अलग होगा. ओके, सो एनसीईआरटी की प्रैक्टिस आप लोग जरूर करें और जो भी क्वेरीज हैं उनको व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे आप जरूर शेयर करें. थैंक यू, हैव ए नाइस डे.